I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you what we do when we're on a down day. So yesterday we had the best day of the season so far, bluebird powder day. We'd had loads of fresh snow the day before and overnight, and then woke up to blue skies. Honestly, it was amazing. The off-piste was really good, and we went on a little bit of a tour, and yeah, it was great. Today really isn't the same picture. It couldn't be more opposite. So again, it's been snowing overnight, it's been still snowing this morning. Where we live, it's pretty much on top of a pass, like in a valley type thing, and it's pretty much snowing horizontally because of how strong the wind is. The snow's drifting pretty bad, and it's just not really a great day for snowboarding. Our guests for the week have gone out. Adam's just driving them up to one of the smaller local resorts. A lot of the lifts higher up in the Voreyars, Chalet, things like that, they're all closed, but they're one of the local resorts that is running, so the guests are heading over there. But yeah, let me show you what we're doing on a down day, and drop it in the comments if there's anything you suggest we can do when it's days like this. What I have realised is I'm super gutted because I left my Nintendo Switch at home, and this is the sort of day where I could really do with my Nintendo Switch. But let me show you outside. I don't really know if the camera's doing it too much justice, but you can just about see, especially if you're looking over at this roof here, you'll see the wind blows the snow off, and it's snowing all the way through the valley, and it's kind of like going in this direction. So yeah, not a great day. But yeah, not a great day at all, guys. What's wrong with me today? I'm having a coughing fit. I'm not ill, to anybody who's watching this. So yeah, so I've got this thing. So this is, I think I took it off one of the head mount things where it's got like elasticated straps, and this like sits on your front of your head like this. Yeah, I didn't like it. I don't use it, and I don't like the mounts on top of the helmets either. So I've got this thing, and what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and bodge it to my rucksack. So the rucksack I use is this one. It's a Artavox 20 litre, so it's the Cross Rider rucksack. It's really good, it's got loads of pockets. This was a gift, well, I got a gift voucher as a gift before I came out here, and this is what I bought with it. So yeah, this is about my new rucksack anyway for this season. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to try to use this and attach it to one of the straps, so that when I'm riding, I've got my camera always with me, and I can take photos, I can take video, I can just leave it filming if I need to, and that way I'm not worrying about getting in and out of my bag all the time, messing about like that. So I had an idea that I would try and use some tie wraps of some sort to try and kind of basically tie wrap it to this strap here. How well that's going to work, I don't know. I mean, the Hero 2 doesn't have much in the way of image stabilisation, but we're going to try it anyway. So in the van, we always have a box full of stuff. It's got everything in it, from electrical tape, it's got tie wraps, it's got all sorts of stuff. So I've been rooting through that, I've got some tie wraps, and I'm going to try and DIY a GoPro mount. If you've got any better suggestions, as always, drop it in the comments, because this is pretty much a full-on bodge. Let's see how this goes. Alright guys, so the idea is there, it's kind of attached now, it's not going to fall off, it's there if I want it, it's not, yeah, I don't feel it when I'm using it, but what I have realised is the tie wraps that I've got are a bit too big, so I'm going to go with the idea, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it off, get some smaller tie wraps at the DIY store not far from here. Go see if we've got some like smaller tie wraps, and then do the same process again, and I'll take it out on the mountain, see how it works in terms of the footage quality, how stable it is, things like that. But it might turn out that if it doesn't work, I might just bite the bullet, update the GoPro. Like I know the new Hero 7, for example, has a lot of image stabilization technology with it, so have a look at something like that. But yeah, definitely gonna work with that for now. It's better than what I have had, so hopefully there'll be more footage from the mountain. Guys, so the different like I've just started doing a bit of work at the minute. When we've got a bit of downtime and the weather's not great, we always try and get what we need to get done on the laptops, and then that way when we get the chance and the opportunity and the weather's good, we head straight out onto the slopes and make the most of the skiing and the snowboarding. But yeah, so I have quite a bit of different stuff that I'm doing on here. So today I'm just writing some workout plans for one of my clients back in England. So for you guys who don't know, just before I came out to France, I launched my personal training business, which is really good. A lot of that I do online, write personal training plans, workout plans, things like that, added support, all that sort of stuff. So I need to make sure that I get those written and sent out to the clients so they've got them ready for the week. And then otherwise it's just YouTube, a little bit of photo editing, Instagram, all the usual, updating our blog, things like that. Adam will be, normally he's focusing on updating his new website at the minute for his health and safety training business, which is going to launch properly when we get back, I think. I mean, he has launched it, he has done some work before we came out here, but yeah, that's going to be launched properly when we get back, so we're just doing all the stuff in the pipeline for that now. Can't really autofocus. But yeah, so that's the main kind of computer work. We always make sure we get that done while I've got the chance and the weather's not great. But yeah, anybody who knows me as well knows that I can't do work without coffee. We've got like the best coffee machine at the Chalet, it's so good.